Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best retail Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Retail foreign exchange refers to a trading segment of the foreign exchange market, where investors will aim to gain profit from exchange rates between different currencies. In retail forex, trading currencies can be bought and sold in an instant. Traders who are searching for some of the best retail forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best retail Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006. And currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is Octa. Octa, a prominent online trading platform, is a leading name in the financial realm. Renowned for its commitment to innovation and a user-friendly interface, Octa has emerged as a preferred choice for traders globally. With a focus on transparency, competitive offerings, and a secure trading environment, the broker offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, stock derivatives, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and shares. With Octa, you can discover a world of trading opportunities with their broad spectrum of trading instruments, each meticulously curated to enhance the trading experience for individuals at every skill level. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Octa Trader. Octa's trading platforms are known for their reliability, speed, and feature-rich environments, offering a range of technical indicators, charting tools, and customizable interfaces. The platform comparison available at the provided link allows traders to choose the one that best aligns with their preferences and trading strategies. Featured accounts are available on Octa Trader, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5 accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, Octa's diverse range of trading accounts ensures that you can find the perfect fit for your trading journey. The broker is also dedicated to empowering its users through a wealth of educational resources designed to cater to traders of all levels. From comprehensive tutorials and articles to insightful market analysis, Octa's educational materials cover a wide range of topics, ensuring that both beginners and experienced traders can stay informed and make well-informed decisions. The platform's commitment to education extends to webinars, seminars, and other interactive sessions, fostering a community where traders can exchange ideas and strategies. Whether you are looking to grasp the basics of trading or stay updated with the latest market trends, Octa's educational resources provide the tools and insights needed to navigate the dynamic world of online trading successfully. As traders explore the dynamic features and offerings available at Octa, they embark on a journey supported by cutting-edge technology, a comprehensive suite of tools, and a commitment to empowering individuals in their financial endeavors. Whether you're a novice seeking to learn the ropes, or an experienced trader looking for a reliable partner, Octa provides the foundation for success in the ever-evolving landscape of online trading. Coming in at number 3, we have FXPro. FXPro is a multi-asset, fully regulated, online Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2006 in the United Kingdom. This award-winning broker uses an order book execution engine and offers competitive trading conditions and ultra-fast, no-dealing desk execution with deep liquidity. As an FXPro client, you can choose from more than 2,100 tradable instruments to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals, indices, shares, and energies. FXPro provides all the tools, resources, and features you need to make informed decisions with your trades, and there are several different platforms that you can trade on when trading with this broker. Whether you are new to trading or an expert, FXPro provides beginner to advanced learning material, and beginners can practice using a risk-free demo account. More than 1.8 million people worldwide are currently trading on FXPro, and they have received more than 90 awards since launching in 2006. FXPro offers a total of 5 types of trading accounts, and also gives their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap-free accounts. The trading conditions of FXPro's accounts are designed according to the platforms they are used with, and most accounts allow hedging and use a no-dealing desk execution model. The FXPro MetaTrader 4 Instant offers fixed spreads with no commission fees and instant execution. All instruments except cryptocurrencies can be traded using this account on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. The FXPro MetaTrader 4 account also offers commission-free trading. However, it is a market execution account with tiered liquidity and floating spreads. This account can be used to trade all available instruments. The third account that you can use with MetaTrader 4 is the FXPro Platform account, which is also a market execution account. The CTrader account can be used to trade Forex, metals, indices, and energies. It is also a market execution account. This account also allows hedging and can be used on the CTrader platform. The last live trading account you can use with FXPro is the FXPro MetaTrader 5 account, which is also a market execution account with tiered liquidity and floating spreads. However, it allows netting by default, and hedging functionality must be requested. You can trade crypto 24/7 with this account, and it can only be used on MetaTrader 5. Both of their market execution accounts allow 24/7 cryptocurrency trading. Their platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader and the FXPro proprietary trading platform, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXPro provides educational resources for beginners and advanced traders, covering the topics of trading basics, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and trading psychology. These learning modules are divided into lessons. There are also videos you can watch to learn more about trading habits, currency pairs, and market players, for you to browse through at any time if you are searching for any additional educational content with FXPro.
At number 2 on our list is Pepperstone.
Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as CTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the CTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started.
And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best retail Forex brokers, we have Markets.com.
Markets.com was founded in 2008 and is a well-regulated STP broker based in Australia, South Africa, and Cyprus. The broker is regulated by the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FSCA. This broker offers tight spreads, VIP services, and sophisticated technology for retail traders and institutional investors. However, it is also a suitable option for beginners, specializing in trading through Forex currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodity CFDs, bonds, index CFDs, equities, and ETFs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Markets.com proprietary trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Markets.com offers one standard multi-purpose trading account that can be used to access all the platforms and over 2,200 tradable instruments. However, you can also upgrade to a professional account if you are a high-volume trader or an institutional investor. Their accounts come with negative balance protection, minimal slippage, and tight spreads. Markets.com also provides their very own knowledge center that delves into traders' insights, honest expert opinions, and tips for trading and investing with confidence. You can also download their trading ebook and use X-Ray for professional news feeds, expert views, and market commentary. There are plenty of webinars, news updates, analysis reports, and other resources that you can use to help you learn more about trading.
And those are some of the top 5 best retail Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.